especially my good buddy Steve Hayes. We were bandmates back in the 80s with Toledo Polka Motion. We're going to do an original for you right now. One that I wrote along with Mike Casa. It's on our 2020 release. Here's one called Nothing But Trouble. How do you guys like the wind today? I don't know, it's awfully windy. That's all caused by the wind, by the way. We'll do one for Archie as well. Archie, how you doing, man?
What?
How you doing?
I love listening.
Okay, don't go too far because we got another set of stuff for you to pack up. All right, here we go for you. Nothing but trouble. Thank you. That's our 2020 release, one called Nothing But Trouble.